What are all these people looking at? This 3D billboard in China is actually something you've never seen in the world before. Preston Ward, aka that drone show guy, is responsible for light shows of drones. He's able to control and synchronize hundreds of drones by programming every single one of them to follow a specific path in order to create this incredible drone show with just this little setup.
You're gonna do like a flip and like hit a manhole cover. Welcome to Las Vegas, everybody. It's a roulette wheel. Yeah, isn't it cool? It's got the ball, it's got the green square, it's cool, it's accurate. Yeah, put it all on red. All right, landing, closing out Formula One in Las Vegas.
Would you do these shows? Because I'm pretty sure you'd make bank from doing these shows. This woman is using AI, which can save stop motion animation studios hundreds of hours.
Watch my 9mm go bang.
Dane is an AI frame filler to which it increases the frame rate and smoothness of a video seamlessly. It does this by creating AI generated frames in between each frame from your video to achieve this level of smoothness. This guy was flying his FPV drone to get a cool shot when suddenly he messes up and something unexpected happens. This guy was playing Snake during school until something shocking happened. He grinded out a long time to reach this length that the only thing he could do now is to keep going or die. This guy took a heated steering wheel a bit too literally.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
This guy has previously created content on other objects as steering wheels, but now he decided to give his hands third-degree burns. This guy is inflating this inflatable car cover and... Inflatable car covers are designed to protect your most valuable asset inside just from the super sturdy cover and air. If ever an earthquake occurred, the car will be safe. Comment below what you'd be trying to protect. The MSG Sphere in Las Vegas is an absolute marvel to look at, displaying massive spherical videos for all to see. It's officially the largest LED screen in the world, and it costs $450,000 a day to display an ad on the Sphere. With all those things in mind, here's a once-in-a-lifetime moment that was captured on camera. These guys decided to do a whole game of real-life Rocket League, and they even used construction excavators as goalkeepers. This guy drives a Tesla Model S, and what happens next is shocking.
Holy shit!
Would you ever drive this fast? This is the Tesla Cybertruck, and it's probably the most durable mass-produced vehicle in the industry today. With its 1.8mm thick stainless steel super alloy, it's able to resist bullet shots while being able to go 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds, with an estimated price of $100,000 for the Cyberbeast. Comment below if you would buy this one piece of technology. I know you've heard of a food truck, but have you ever heard of a restaurant truck? Just look at it go from a small container to this fully fledged indoor restaurant in minutes. It's portable, it's expandable, and it even has little glass doors for people to enter through. This guy's about to do something very dangerous that you should not attempt at home. this is a DJI drone specified for agricultural purposes, and one wrong mistake could end up being fatal to the person inside.